Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I want to introduce the model DTD149SFX1. This model in the box have one motor, one battery and one charger. The battery 18 volts, 3 ampere. The motor, I already check it out. Yeah, the model DTD149. Variable speed. This is the economic type. Use the carbon brush and don't have mode. Yeah, the battery. So have the LED and it cannot off by the button. So when you push the trigger, the automatic stop. Yeah. Yeah, let's see in the box. Yeah. This is charger and instruction manual. Instruction manual DTD138 and DTD149. Alright. Thanks for watching. If you want to see any model, please comment below. See you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe.